Welcome to the Are Your Eyes Secretly Superpowered Challenge. Disclaimer, if you start seeing through metal vaults, congratulations, you've unlocked a hidden perk. Everyone says eyes are the windows to the soul, right? Well, are your windows crystal clear 4K, or do they need a good wipe down? We're about to find out with this epic 4-stage challenge. The rules. You're going to face 4 stages. Each stage is harder than the last. The first round, easy peasy. If you're seeing cake instead of colors though, well, we've got bigger issues. But as you level up, things get serious. Stage 4, only 8% of people pass it. No pressure. Here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Find the odd one out in a grid of colors. You'll pick one color that stands out from the others. Seems easy, right? But fail even once in a stage, and it's game over for that level. Think you've got the super sight to survive all 4 rounds? Let's see if you can handle the eye-straining madness. Cue dramatic music.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0.
Congratulations! 92% of the people failed, but you passed as a super-sighted human. You are a tetrachromat, which means you have more color receptors in your eyes than others, and you can detect more shades of different colors. Which stage did you make it through?